I am Isa Mamuda from Nigeria. My heart problem started in 2018. When I traveled, I was trying to climb a story building. My breathing started cutting off. So throughout that day, I slept awake because once I lie down, the breathing will be cutting off. So since that time, I have been following up in Nigeria with some of the cardiologists, but nobody has ever told me that my valve is having an issues until August last year. That was when I went to Abuja. Dr. Amadi consulted me and she told me that I have a serious valve issue in the heart, that the blood doesn't go out completely. Part of the blood normally comes back into the heart, which makes the heart to swell up. So that was when she now wrote a recommendation to my organization to send me to India to come and meet expatriates who can handle my case. And it was based on that her write-up. The organization I was working with in Nigeria now approved my journey to India. Narayana, they are the one that nominated the hospital to me. I was not the one that nominated the hospital. They are the one that suggested I should come. So that means they have been in contact with Narayana for some years. So, and all the necessary approvals were given. I went to the embassy. We conducted all the embassy interview and the visa was awarded. So I came to Narayana on the 24th of December last year. So from there, on the 26th, I visited the hospital, which I met our liaison officer, Mr. Said. So Said now did all the logistics for me, and I was able to see the consultant, who is a senior consultant, Dr. Uday. And from there, he started putting me on various examination and tests in various units, which was conducted for about 3 to 4 days. Then from there, they now look at my heart problem. They said because of the prolonged illness of the heart, so they cannot do operations and repair the place immediately, that the heart is weak. The percentage of the functionality is about 25 to 30%. So what they need to do, all of them, about 4 of the consultants, met within themselves to find out the best option. So what they came out with was to do a valve replacement for the temporary measure, which will improve the heart's functionality to about 35 to 40. So, and that was what they did. So the operation was conducted on the 2nd of January this year. And since for the past 3 days, I have been feeling better. Even my escort, he said when I slept off, that he doesn't used to hear the sound he used to hear before. So I believe there is going to be a great improvement. And what they actually, the recommendation they gave, that after 2 to 6 months, I will still need to come back for the real surgery to repair the place that was damaged. So that is all about. And I thank all the personnel. I have never been to this kind of hospital. I noticed that most of the personnel in the hospital are very organized. Whenever they give you a time, when you go, they treat you within that time. And any of the complaints, they respond immediately. And pertaining to the food and medications, in fact, they are 100% okay. So I'm very grateful to my organization. I'm very grateful to Narayana for taking my case seriously. Thank you, sir.